manuals. Top cover removed. So we have communication with inverter and parallel. And off button. So the inverter is on. It also comes with this mini screen. 200 amp hour, remaining capacity is just 66, and cycle count is 2, because this went through some checks before it gets shipped. So quality check is what took the 2 cycles. So in case you see 2 cycles, see we have about 4 temperature sensor, and we have the air temperature, that's the inside of the battery itself, and we also have the PCB, that's the temperature of the BMS. Okay, so 4 temperature at different points on the batteries. Okay, then we go back, we see pack status. Okay, so it's telling us charge MOSFET is on, pro count, we have pro status, and the rest. So we go back again, and pack parameter, we can't do anything here. So pack set, so we can set the protocol for this, but no need. Let's scroll down and check that later. Pack info, so we can see the cell info. So this is cell 1, 2, 3, 4, then the remaining one, cell 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's it for the positive. So it has this terminal cover to cover this. Then we have communication, RS485, we have dry contact, we have the address, we have the power, we have the run, and this is pretty similar to the Lee series. Okay, so this is similar to the Lee series. So at the back we have the wall mounting plate. The wall mounting bracket is attached this time around. The specification of the battery, so we have 200 amps. So this battery can discharge at 150 amps and charge at 100 amps. So recommended charge voltage is from 28 volts. So I stick with 28 volts. So I don't charge beyond 28 volts. Okay, so guys, the panel is about to go on the roof. Okay, city of Ibadan city. It's about to rain. The rain has started already, but we are still waiting for it to get here. Hey, rain they come, oh, run, oh, run, oh, run, oh. Hey, run, no. This rain don't ask ya rain they fall for that side. God. This man don't say na water person I be am. Na water. Any day, now you be the water. Now you be the water, because anytime you follow us, now you know they fall. Eh? When me and those guys they go, rain no they fall. We can't continue this. We have to wait for the rain, obviously. Oh no, rain. Okay, so the panel is connected now. So we have 184 watts from the panel. So panel voltage 134, 36, 1.1 amps coming in, 156 from PV. Okay, so panel is connected at the moment. Battery is charging with 6-7 amps, and we're also powering the load. About 1% for now, so 29 watts. All the tops is only 29 watts.